Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make these super easy and quick pan-fried Suya chicken wings. It's one of those recipes where you season your chicken right before you start your day in the morning or about 3 to 4 hours before dinner time. And the cook time is just 20 minutes. So these are my chicken wings. I already cleaned and cut them off camera. Like I said earlier, this is super easy to make and it's ready in about 20 minutes. So I'll start off by adding some vegetable oil, and this is just to bind the dry spices that I'm going to be adding. I'll be adding some all-purpose seasoning. I normally mix 2 different brands of all-purpose seasoning together because I find that it gives the best flavor. Then some salt, ginger powder, garlic, smoked paprika, chili pepper for that extra kick, onion powder, and the star of the show, some Suya pepper, aka Yaji. After seasoning, just mix everything well. I mixed mine with a spoon. Feel free to go in with your hands if you like. Then I will put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours so it can marinate. Please, if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Whoop whoop! Now it's time to pan fry these babies. You want to bring out your chicken wings an hour before you start cooking, just so it's at room temperature. So you sear the chicken wings on both sides over high heat for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, but you have to be careful so that it doesn't burn, so you have to watch it. After that, you reduce the heat to low, and what I like to do next is cover mine with a lid so that the chicken wings become tender. So it's like you're trapping the heat a little bit so that the chicken becomes really tender. This cooks for 20 minutes and you're going to flip the wings twice during cooking. And that's it. The chicken wings are ready. I sprinkled some extra Suya pepper when it was done. I had mine with a salad and it was so yummy. I want everyone to try this recipe and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video with everyone you know, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Till next time, bye!